Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a workflow in Slack. First, open the Slack website or app and log into your workspace. Once you are inside, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You will see a plus icon. Click on that icon and from the menu, select Workflow to open the Workflow Builder. Now you will start by setting the trigger. In the section called Start the Workflow, click on Choose an Event. From the list of options, select when a person joins a channel. After that, choose the specific channel you want to monitor. Once selected, click Save or Continue. Next, you will add the first step. Click on Add Step, then choose Messages, and select Send a message to a channel. In the channel selection, choose the option that says the channel that the user joined. Then, in the message box, type your welcome message. For example, you can write username has joined the channel. After writing your message, click Save. Now, add another step. Click Add Step again, go to Messages, and select Send a message to a person. Under Select a Person, choose the variable called Person who joined channel. Then write your private onboarding message. For example, Welcome to the team username. Click Save once you are done. Finally, click on the workflow name at the top left to give it a clear title like New Member Onboarding. Then click Finish up in the top right corner. Review everything and click Publish. Thanks for watching.